Hello guys, welcome to Quiz and Quotes. We are undergoing the multiple choice questions for history and GK, and this is the part 4 of the series. So these are much important for examinations and our career. Let's go ahead with the questions. And the first question coming to your screen is, which one is the longest river bridge over a single river in India? The question is, which one is the longest river bridge over a single river in India? And the options are option A, Bikramshila Setu, Bihar. Option B, Godavari Bridge, Andhra Pradesh. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi Setu, Bihar. Option D, Dhola Shadia Bridge, Assam. And the right answer is Dhola Shadia Bridge in Assam. Next question, who had delivered longest ever speech in United Nations Security Council? Who had delivered longest ever speech in United Nations Security Councils? And the option is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, V.K. Krishna Menon. Option C, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option D, Vallabhbhai Patel. And the right answer is V.K. Krishna Menon. Next question, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, was set up on the recommendation of which commission? RBI was set up on the recommendation of which commission? The options are A. C. Rangarajan, B. Dr. B. Ambedkar, C. Hilton Young, and D. None of the above. And the right answer is Hilton Young. Next question, famous environmentalist Sundar Lal Bhaguna is associated with which movement? I repeat, famous environmentalist Sundar Lal Bhaguna is associated with which movement? And the options are option A, Save Silent Valley, option B, Chipko, option C, Narmada Bachao, and option D, Jhola Andolan. And the right answer is Chipko. Next question, Operation Flood. Operation Flood is a movement related with the product. Which product? And the options are option A, milk, option B, fresh water, option C, rice, option D, none of the above. And the right answer is milk. Next question, who is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? The question is, who is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? And the options are option A, V. Kurian, option B, C. Subramaniam, option C, M.S. Swaminathan, and option D, none of the above. And the right answer is M.S. Swaminathan. Next question is, world's first granite temple was built in India. Find which is the temple. And the options are Bridheshwar Temple, option B, Somnath Temple, option C, Tirupati Temple, and option D, Shabarimala. And the right answer is Brihadeshwar Temple. Next question is, the value of pi was first calculated by Indian mathematician. Who calculated the value of pi? The first Indian mathematician. Then the options are A. Varahamihira, option B. Aryabhatta, option C. Panini, option D. Budhyana. And the right answer is Budhyana. Next question, The Musalman, India's only handwritten newspaper, is published from. The Musalman India's only handwritten newspaper is published from? The options are A. Hyderabad, B. Mumbai, C. Bangalore, D. Chennai. And the right answer is Chennai. Next question. The first Indian newspaper to offer an online edition on internet. The first Indian newspaper to offer an online edition on internet, and the options are A. The Times of India, option B. The Hindustan Times, option C. Anand Bazar Patrika, option D. The Hindu. And the right answer is The Hindu. Next question. Sanskrit is the official language of which state? Sanskrit is the official language of which state? And the options are A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Uttarakhand, D. Madhya Pradesh. And the right answer is Uttarakhand. Next question. In which Puranas the details of Vastu Shastra is includes? In which Purans the detail of Vastu Shastra is includes? And the options are option A. Agni, option B. Kurma, option C. Padma, option D. Narada. And the right answer is Agni. Agni Puran. Next question. How many Parvas in Mahabharata book? How many Parvas in Mahabharata book? And the options are option A 20, option B 32, option C 16, option D 18. And the right answer is 18. 18 Parvas. Next question. How many Kandas in Ramayan book? How many Kandas in Ramayan book? And the options are option A 12, option B 7, option C 15, option D 18. And the right answer is 7. 7 Kandas are there in Ramayana book. Next question. In which year was the capital of India shifted from Calcutta to Delhi? The question is, in which year was the capital of India shifted from Calcutta to Delhi? And the options are option A 1918, option B 1907, option C 1911, and option D 1916. And the right answer is 1911. Next question. Where is the largest shipyard in India is located? Where is the largest shipyard in India is located? And the options are A. Mumbai, B. Vishakhapatnam, C. Kochi, D. Chennai. And the right answer is Kochi. Next question. Which state has the minimum total forest area covered in India? Which state has the minimum total forest area covered in India? And the options are option A. Assam, option B. Madhya Pradesh, option C. Goa, option D. Haryana. And the right answer is Haryana. Next question. Which union territory has the minimum total forest area covered in India? Which union territory has the minimum total forest area covered in India? And the options are A. Delhi, B. Daman and Diu, C. Pondicherry, D. Chandigarh. And the right answer is Daman and Diu. Next question. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along the coast of. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along the coast of. And the options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along the coast of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. And the right answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question. Indian Standard Time refers to the local time of which city? Indian Standard Time refers to the local time of which city? And the options are A. Delhi, B. Banaras, C. Kolkata, D. Allahabad. And the right answer is Allahabad. Next question. Which one is the oldest refinery in India? Which one is the oldest refinery in India? And the options are A. Guwahati, B. Barauni, C. Mangalore, D. Digboi. And the right answer is Digboi. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of rice in India? Which state is the largest producer of rice in India? And the options are A. West Bengal, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Uttar Pradesh. And the right answer is West Bengal. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of cotton in India? And the options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Haryana. And the right answer is Gujarat. Next question. Where the India's first defense university located? Where the India's first defense university located? And the options are A. Karnataka, B. Kerala, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Haryana. And the right answer is Haryana. Next question. In which state the Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development is located? In which state the Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development is located? And the options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Uttaranchal. And the right answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which one is the oldest mountain range in India? Which one is the oldest mountain range in India? And the option is A. Himalayas, B. Aravalli, C. Statupa, and D. Nilgiri. And the right answer is Aravalli. Next question. Which one is the highest mountain peak in India? Highest mountain peak in India, and the options are A. Everest, B. Nanda Devi, C. Kanchenjunga, D. Yamunotri. And the right answer is Kanchenjunga. Next question. Which one is the longest river in South India? And the options are A. Kaveri, B. Krishna, C. Vaigai, D. Godavari. The longest river in South India. And the right answer is Godavari. Next question. In which city the longest flyover of India is located? In which city the longest flyover of India is located? The options are A. Mumbai, B. Pune, C. Chennai, D. Hyderabad. And the right answer is Hyderabad. Next question. In which state the living root bridges is found? The question is, in which state the living root bridges is found? And the options are A. Assam, B. Mizoram, C. Sikkim, D. Meghalaya. The living root bridges. And the right answer is Meghalaya. Now let's go to the next question. Which one is the largest zoological park in India? Largest zoo in India? And the options are A. Arinagar Amna Zoological Park, Chennai, B. Nandakanan Zoological Park, Bhubaneswar, C. Nehru Zoological Park, Hyderabad, D. Mysore Zoo in Mysore. The largest zoo in India. And the right answer is Arinagar Anna Zoological Park in Chennai. Next question. In which state the cleanest village of India and Asia, Maolong, is located? In which state the cleanest village of India and Asia is located? And the options is A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Manipur, C. Meghalaya, D. Nagaland. And the right answer is Meghalaya. Next question. Where is the headquarter of Indian Railway is located? Where is the headquarter of Indian Railway is located? And the options are A. Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Pune, D. Mumbai. And the right answer is Delhi. Next question. Where is the headquarter of Life Insurance of India LIC is located? And the options are A. Chennai, B. Kolkata, C. Pune, D. Mumbai. Headquarter of LIC. And the right answer is Mumbai. Next question. Who is the first Indian woman to climb on Mount Everest? Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? And the options are A. Premlata Agrawal, option B. Arunima Sinha, option C. Bachendri Pal, option D. Krishna Patil. And the right answer is Bachendri Pal. Next question. Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest with prosthetic legs? Option A. Premlata Agrawal, B. Arunima Sinha, option C. Bachendri Pal, D. Krishna Patil. And the right answer is Arunima Sinha. So guys, we have again covered the list of close to 30 questions. Now it's time to your gift. Go to the description box, you'll find a link. Once you click on the link, it will take to my website where you'll get an awesome opportunity of learning as well as earning. Try it, explore it. Any question, you can mail me to my email in the description box, or you can WhatsApp me on the number given there. Thank you so much, and like, share, subscribe, share this this video with the people who are already taking part in the competitive examinations and other examinations, or who want to explore and increase their knowledge. Thank you so much. God bless you. Wish you all the best.